Alright guys, good morning. Welcome to Time Out to Global Limited. Today I want to introduce to you our new apprentice. His name is Abednego. So I want to welcome him to the team. Today is the second day in the workshop. So we are trying to impart some knowledge to his brain. As you can see, we're trying to make him get familiar with the tools in the workshop. That's the first thing you learn as an apprentice. You have to get familiar with the tools in the workshop. So that's Daniel over there trying to show him one or two, you get. So I hope he makes a good technician in the future, in the nearest future. So guys, I want you to like, follow and share our videos to get more updates on Abednego. As you can see, he's new, so within, should I say, 2 weeks, I'll be showing you what he can do. Now I'll be videoing him, I'll be showing you what he can do. So I'm seeing a lot of possibilities that he's gonna learn faster, you get, because the way I see this guy, no, I'll see.